Reduce your shave time by 75%. Having your head fully trimmed normally requires a lot of time. But, with Omnishaver's bald head shaver, you can make your shaving experience less time-consuming. Our safe razor features bi-directional action shave, which will give you a smooth and perfect scalp, legs or arms shave in less than 1 minute. With our fast leg shaver, you will get not only fast results but a perfect shave as well. The only razor that self-cleans during use. Say goodbye to clogged razors during use. You won't need to rinse your handheld face razor underwater during use to unclog the blades. Our easy hair remover is perfect for the head, arms and legs. You will get the same results that conventional shavers offer but without the waste of time, irritation and unclogging. After your shave, rinse it under warm water and air dry. 2x the shaving life. Cleverly designed with safety in mind, our arm razor uses your skin as a strop to self-straighten and polish its blade's edges during use. Omnishaver far outlasts any shaver on the market. If properly maintained and used, Omnishaver's Easy Home Razor will provide at least twice the number of shaves other shavers or razors can provide. Versatile, effective and easy to use. If you're looking for the perfect all-body hair removal razor with a sharp, stylish look, then your search ends here. When properly used, you can easily run this head razor blade over your head, arms or legs without the use of a mirror. The touch-up razor makes a great birthday or anniversary gift for the man or woman in your life. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. At Omnishaver, we believe in providing high-quality easy grip razors. Since satisfaction is our priority, we made sure all blades are manufactured in the USA with free and fast shipping. In case you have any issues, feel free to contact us. Top reviews from the United States. It works. I was cautious after some reviews of people having shredded heads. I don't know. Maybe they are soft and delicate. I used this thing recklessly and didn't even get a single cut and it gave me a bald $1 head. The only thing I'll say is I got a razor to do the touch-ups on the sideburns.